Hello, magandang hapon mga kabayan. Tayo na naman po'y magkakasama-sama maski sa ilang minuto lamang. Pero ano pa special sa araw na ito or sa linggo na to? It's the Feast of the Ascension o yung pag-akyat ng ating Panginoong Jesus sa langit after 39 days after Easter. Okay, so what's the other day that is so valuable and so important today? Huwag natin kakalimutan. It's Mother's Day, right? So alam ko lahat kayo ay busy-busy sa paghahanda o yung mga husband ay busy-busy sa paghahanda para sa Mother's Day. It is the most important day para sa isang pamilya dahil dito natin dinadakilang araw ng ating mga may bahay, right? So ngayong araw na to, may gagawin tayong iba. Lumabas tayo sa ating regular na kusina at nagpunta tayo dito sa ating patio para let's make it a little bit special. Bigyan natin ng content twist yung location wise, right? So kung nakikita nyo last few vlogs ay puro sa loob. Ngayon kasi medyo maganda ng panahon, so gawin natin ito dito sa aming munting patio. Okay? So ano bang gagawin natin ngayong araw na to? Well, for myself, I'm planning to do a little bit different today. So, I am going to walk away with regular luto na may isa, may something. So, naisipan ko bumili ng ilang pirasong steak sa Costco. Then, itatry kong i-grill. So, nakatambak lang yung ating griller. Susubukan ko. So, I'm planning to set up a table for my daughter and my wife para I'll make it a little bit formal dinner for Mother's Day. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, nakahanda na ang aking kalan, nakahanda na rin ang aking griller. So siguro mga isang oras pa pwede na akong mag-umpisa. And kung tatanungin nyo ako, why do we need to celebrate Mother's Day? What is the hype with that, right? So ako, for myself, I think pinaka-importante niya lang sa buhay ng tao yung ating mga ina, right? So sila yung nagbabind ng family together, and sabi nga nung isang kong kaibigan, they have that unconditional and unending love towards family. So ako, alam ko rin yung wife ko, I think masasabi ko na she's the best kasi ilang taon na kami mag-asawa, but nakita ko yung pagmamahal na binibigay niya sa aming mga anak, which is very unconditional, at saka sa akin na rin. So sabi nga nila, yung ginagawa ko na to, it's nothing compared to what they're doing for us, right? So ang ating mga asawa, ating mga ina, they're the best person that we can have in this world. Ayan mga kabayan, nag-umpisa na tayo magpabagat. Dalawang bagay ang ating gagawin. Mag-iihaw ako ng bangus para pang stock, or maybe mag-iihaw din ako ng talong para stock ko rin para gawing tortang talong in the future. At saka i-ano natin yung steak. Tatry natin. Kabayan, dadagdagan natin ng konting handa. Gagawa ko ng simpleng pasta. Sabi nga nila yung roasted garlic parmesan pasta. So meron ng konting hipon, sibuyas, bawang, pamienta, at saka yung ating ang tawag doon, gagamitin na sauce. Ayan po, pupupuno na yung ating sauce. So, pwede natin nilagay yung ating pinakuluang pasta kanina. There you go. Napakasimple lang pong gawin dito. Ayan mga kabayan, at inumpisahan ko na ilagay yung ating steak. At may kasamang dalawang pirasong bangus, siyempre di mawawala yun para sa neganda, sa father. Okay? I think it will take 30 to 45 minutes for this to be done. Then, let's see kung anong kalalabasan niya. Pero yung pasta natin ay tapos na. So, konting preparation pa. Tama-tama sa dinner. So, hinihintay na lang natin na maluto yung sa peraso because Juliet wants it to be well done. And after that, papayalan tayo ng konti. Pag dumating na sila, magsiset up na ako. Ayan. So, naghihintay na yung ating table area, table setup. So, nakakita rin tayo ng flowers. So, tuloy ang Mother's Day. Yeah, nakalimutan mo yung jacket.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, thank you. And I'm going to start serving the food. Okay, so we're going to start with the appetizer. Wow!
Oh my goodness.
And this one is for my daughter. Okay?
Oh my God, where did you get that?
You get right?
Raw?
Right? No, I
Steam?
steam it a little bit so.
Where's the servings?
Oh, oh yeah. Go on up with it.
Cute.
Okay, so let's start. The two mothers are enjoying their appetizer. Hindi pwede kay Juju yung ating talaba. So, there you go. Yep.
Yeah, this is what is that? Entree.
Yep, a big celebration.
Appetizer.
You deserve it, guys.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
I want my Dobby.
I have this very special dinner for you guys. There you go. Ang panama na nagpunta kayo sa Batangas.
Ew, wow, that-
Enjoy! Okay, and to top it all, we have red wine.
Hi.
Wow.
Okay.
Dad.
Cheers for the
May ice.
long-lasting love. Okay? Happy Mother's Day. Okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Don't be sad.
Oh yeah, don't be sad.
Kay baby, kay mommy,
Very happy.
kay ate. So, bon appetit, guys. Enjoy the food. Okay, natarasan na ang ating isang celebration of Mother's Day. But guys, let me remind you, it's not just today. It should be every day, right? Cheers, ma'am.
Cheers to everyday Mother's Day.
Di ba magastos yun, guys? Mga kabayan, so ayun, nakaraos ang ating Mother's Day celebration. Basta ang masasabi ko lang, gaano man siya karangya o gaano man siya kapaya ang pagse-celebrate ng ating mga okasyon. What is important is it's coming from the heart. At saka parati natin pagdadasal ang mga mothers kasi they are the one that provides that unconditional love, right? So, just like what we promised them during our wedding vow, aalagaan natin sila at iingatan sila at mamahalin naman po. With that, mga kabayan, another episode. I'll see you next time. God bless us all and thank you everyone.